Now I want to show you how to make something called a tree map. And so a tree map is a way to display data using rectangles, which we'll see in a minute. And this is often a better alternative to a pie chart. So we talked about the issues with pie charts and why they're usually not a good choice. And so there are a lot of situations where maybe a tree map would be okay, even if a pie chart isn't a good choice. They aren't always a good option, but sometimes they can be helpful. So here I've connected to the Global100 Excel file that you can find on Canvas. And this shows a lot of different companies along with their market value in billions of US dollars. And it shows what country the company is based in and the continent. And so let's see how we can make a tree map for this data. So if I go to sheet 1, what I'm going to do is take market value and I'm going to drag that to size. And then now I'm going to take company and drag it to label. And if I do that, we have this large rectangle that shows the different companies, and the rectangles inside are sized based on the market value of that company. And they're kind of sorted, and so we can see that Apple is the largest market value with 483.1 billion, and as we kind of move generally to the right, these are going to get smaller. But it would be nice if we could maybe break these up based on country or continent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color these based on continent. So if I take continent and drag it to color, that will divide this up. And so we can see on the left, this kind of tealish color. This is showing the companies in North America. This red is showing in Europe. And this blue is Asia, orange is Australia, and green on the bottom is South America. And so this can be a way to show hierarchical data and show how different pieces make up the whole in a way that is a bit better than a pie chart. And so this can be a helpful way of displaying data. Again, it's not always a good option, but it is often something that can be helpful.